one heart. Let's get together and feel alright.
Outside here we have a seating area, quite a few customers here. Here's the name of the restaurant. This is connected with the Prama hotel, this. Beautiful place. See, it's very popular. There's quite a few guests here sat relaxing, eating, drinking. Good evening from Bali, Indonesia. So this evening I'm here in the Sanur area of Bali. I'm on a beach called Semawang Beach, and what I'm going to feature in this evening's video for you is a beach walking tour from the Mercure resort or the Mercure hotel all the way through to the Puri Santrian resort. So featured in this video, there's going to the Mercure resort is where I'm going to start. There's also going to be the Prama resort and then the Puri Santrian resort at the end. So I'm going to take a stroll along the pathway here at the back of the beach. I'm going to show you all of the three resorts that I've mentioned in the beginning there, that what restaurants and things and bars are available at those places. There's also going to be another collection of restaurants and bars also along this section of track here. Now this section of track is going to be of particular interest for those of you staying at the three places as I've already mentioned, also in the Jalan Cemara area of Sanur, Jalan Mercure area of Sanur. This is just to give you a general idea of what to expect along the beach during an evening. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a stroll from the Mercure resort to the Puri Santrian here at Semawang Beach. Okay, so this is a start point for this evening. We've got some copyright music straight off. This is the Mercure Hotel Resort area here in the back. And this is the dining facility area. I'll just show you what's available here. So they have some happy hours. Seafood barbecue. There's a seating area inside here at the Mercure. Also a nice seating area in the garden there. Now we're going to continue in this direction here. This is going to be the Genius Cafe just on the corner here. There's quite a few customers here already. So this is the name of the cafe. Genius Cafe Sanur. It's just in the back there. No one really sat inside there at the Genius Cafe. Well, there's quite a few outside here sat on the beach. Okay, so we'll just continue walking back down in this direction now. Here's all the seating on the beach here outside the Mercure. Just heading towards the lights now. Okay, we're now coming to a well lit area here. Kiddies play area is just here to the side. It's not lit up, but we have this area here. Not sure whether this is connected with the Mercure. Have a seating area. Some tent-like seating also. Everything's packed up there, and then we just continue walking in a straight line. Kiddies play area. I'm going to turn the camera off until we get to the next place. Okay, so after walking less than 100 meters down from the Mercure Resort Hotel, we have a retro beach bar, restaurant, cafe area here. There's the inside area of Retro Beach. And then we also have an outside seating area just here on the beach also. There's quite a few customers inside there. And then now we'll just continue. Hello, good evening. There's some of the things here at the special retro. And now we'll continue walking. So there's the name there. And now we're going to continue walking along the track. Okay, so just around about 40 metres down from the retro beach restaurant, we have a place here called the Beach Cafe. And however, this is currently closed by the looks of it. There's the inside seating area anyway. This is also connected with the beach spa also. I'll just show you some of the menu here. There's some of the menu, what's available when it's open from 7:30 AM. And then just next door here we have the beach spa and sauna. That's just in the back there. We're just going to continue on the path now down to the bamboo bar lounge. Okay, so after walking a straight line for about 50-60 metres from the beach cafe, the next place is a place called Basilico Italian Pavillion. And we can already hear the music from the bamboo bar and lounge in the distance. So just outside here we have a seating area, quite a few customers here. Here's the name of the restaurant. A few customers inside also. All the customers here sat on the beach side.
Around, feel alright. What love, what heart, you take the pressure now, and I'll feel alright. Let's get together and feel alright. Speak some music, I'll let you talk.
Continue walking now. Okay, so this is just all the area here outside the Prama. I'm just going to turn the camera off now again until we get down to the next place. There's a beautiful Prama swimming pool here overnight, in darkness literally, all the rooms in the back there. Okay, so we come to the end of the Prama Sanur beach now, and just around about 120 metres down from the bamboo bar and lounge. Next in line we're going to have a place called Bobby's Cafe. So Bobby's Cafe is quite busy, there's quite a few customers just sat outside on the beach here on all the chairs. See there, there's Bobby's Cafe inside. There is some customers also inside, but not so much. Majority are just sat out on the beach here. Just from Bobby's Cafe we'll continue walking on, or Bobby's Bar and Restaurant, sorry, not Bobby's Cafe. I'll just show you the name. So there's the name. And there's your seating area on the beach. Now we're just going to continue walking. Next is going to be a place called Costa by Monsta. Here, this is a fairly new place. Again, here we have some people sitting on the beach here. Here's the Costa by Monsta here in the back. There's the name, and there's a beautiful inside Costa by Monsta. Beautiful seating area on the beach here. Just continue walking on now. This is where all the massage ladies on the beach are located during the day. All gone home, all the shops are packed up. And then now I'm just going to turn the camera off again now until we get to the Puri Santrian. Okay, so after walking in a straight line, maybe 120 metres from Costa by Monsta, now we've arrived at the Puri Santrian. This is the start of the Puri Santrian. We have the floating beds out in the ocean there, Santrian 24 in the distance, and then now this is the Puri Santrian. So there's the big sign there up above. Now we'll just take a stroll along here. So Puri Santrian has restaurants to the left there. You can't really see them, a little bit in darkness, and they have lots of seating here along the beach also. There's quite a few guests here sat relaxing, eating, drinking. There's the restaurant kitchen area there. Just show you some of what's available here. Also some pasta and pizza. Seating area inside there. We have many guests and customers here in the outside seating area. It's quite busy here at the Puri Santrian, very popular this place. Very big eating area here at the Puri Santrian. Beautiful walk along the path here. Always a pleasure to walk in this area. And many guests inside there. And that's the end here of the Puri Santrian. Couple there having a romantic dinner on the beach. Okay, so that concludes this evening's video, my walking tour from the Mercure Hotel Resort all the way through to the Puri Santrian. As the camera's showing you in this evening's video, you've got three nice resorts in the Mercure, the Prama, the Puri Santrian. Great facilities, great dining facilities, what we've seen in tonight's video. You've seen another great collection of restaurants and bars also, separate from the three main resorts. Some great entertainment there at the Bamboo Bar and Lounge. All in all, this is just a fabulous location for your holiday stay here in the Sanur area of Bali. So on that note, hope you've enjoyed this evening's video. Hope some of you find this video useful and maybe want to come and pay some of these places a visit featured in tonight's video. And I shall say bye for now.